One, two, three, go.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Isa. I'm working for ABC company, Cowell TV. I want to introduce you for one of our kind of compressors. It is ABC replication semi-hermetic compressors. So we start our presentation right now. So before we start, this is our today agenda. First is, what is the semi-hermetic compressors? The second one is the semi-hermetic compressor, which is using in AC and refrigeration business. And of course, the next one is, what is ABC Cowell TD? And what is the benefit of the ABC semi-hermetic compressors? The next one is ABC compressor market share. The next one is comparison, of course, between ABC compressors and the competitors. And the summary, and the last one, of course, we have the question and answer session. Okay, shall we start? Now, I want to discuss what is the semi-hermetic compressors. So, this is the constructions for the semi-hermetic compressors. Basically, semi-hermetic compressors is the compressor's mechanical parts. It is attached with the motors, which is in one housing, and the housing is bolted, because there is another compressor also which is welded. So what we have right now, we can see in here the valve suction, the piston ring and piston, which is in the mechanical part, okay, and we have the oil sump, of course, over here. And other side is the motors, the driven motors for the compressors. So that's why we call this one semi-hermetic. Okay. What is the benefits of the semi-hermetic compressors? Of course, there will be some benefits. One of these is the simple and compact construction, because everything it is inside one housing. Of course, it will become simple and will become compact. It's not taking space for installing the compressor. Of course, there is another compressor which is separated between the compressors and the driven motors. We have the simple and compact construction for the semi-hermetic. This is the most, the very good benefits for this kind of compressors. The next one is no additional motor cooling required. As you know, for the which is the driven motors, which is installed separately between the compressor's mechanical part and the motors will have the additional cooling. But for semi-hermetic, this additional cooling is not required. Why? Because the suction gas, which is having a colder temperatures, will enter first from the motor side, and it is pumped by the pistons, by mechanical parts, and going as discharge, which is having a higher temperatures. The cold suction gas will cool down the motor winding in the same time. So no additional cooling required, of course. The next one is easy maintenance, because the housing isn't bolted, it's not welded. You can do the maintenance very easy. Very easy, then you just removing like a vehicle or something else like that. As you know, in the picture is shown, this man is doing the maintenance. They are removing the oil pump side, even the pistons, even the ring, he can replace by himself. The next benefit is the wide range of capacity. In ABC, even though in ABC compressors or the other compressors, this kind of compressor having a range of capacity, which is showing its displacement. Over here, displacement in 50 Hertz, we can see this started from around 10 to up to more than 200 meter cubic per hour. Because in the refrigeration system, displacement is represented as the capacity as well. More gas, more refrigerant pumped by the compressors It will give more replication capacity. We have several types over here. You can see from A1 up to A7. Anyway, the one which I show you in here, this is for the ABC compressor, of course. The next one is multi-applications. We have several refrigerant R404A, which is on the left side, and the other 1134A. You can see the R404A and 507A. This is for the low temperature applications, which is started from 0 degree up to minus 50 degree centigrade. So we can use it as a freezers or maybe as cold storage at 0 degree. The next one is 134A gas. It is started from high temperature application, which is around maybe 17 degree over here, up to minus 25. Semi-hermetic compressors can be used for the multi-application, as you can see over here. Okay, then semi-hermetic compressors. How the semi-hermetic compressor can be used in the business, especially of course in AC and application business. As you can see, we have so many types of compressors we are using. A semi-hermetic is represented as the green colors, full hermetic in red colors, and open type which is in the purple colors. In HVAC, in AC, semi-hermetic using around 42% of the on the business in the HVAC, and the full hermetic is used most than the others. But in the refrigeration business, semi-hermetic is mostly used by the user. It is more than 50%, around 55%, if you can see in the graph. I want to introduce you for where I'm working now. Is about the ABC Co. Ltd. It is founded by Mr. ABC on the 50s, in 1950s, with total direct employee 4,500. You can see we have so many offices, manufacturings. We have the factory. We have around in here the factories, around 2 factories, one in Indonesia and one in Germany. Okay, and we have the sales, manufacturing as well. Around 6 manufacturings around the world. As you can see in here, the red one is R&D. We have the research and development sections. One we have in Germany, another one in Indonesia, in Chicago. The green color represents the sales office. We have so many sales representative office which is around the world. So don't worry about our products. The difference, our compressors difference than the others, than the competitors, is newly designed valve plate. It will create more higher capacity and smooth operations. The next one is the option for capacity controls. We have the step capacity control as well as using the variable frequency drives. The other one is, because we have so many manufacturers around the world, of course the technical support will be there, and it less life cycle costs. As you can see, this is the first production of the compressor which is produced in 55 more compressors still working up to now. And how we have the market share. The market share in 2012 and 2015, you can see in here in the graphs, our market share is increasing from 2012. Of course, I want to show you the recent one. In 2015, we have more than 4 million units sold around the world. The price wise is we have less than the others. Anyway, you can call me afterwards about it. Anyway, the summary is about the ABC compressor. We have more advantage, as you can see over here, that I told you already. Okay. The most important thing is we have the lower price and good quality. Anyway, I think we go for a question and answer session. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can contact me in this number, in this email. My number is showing here, and email us. You can write down. Thank you very much for your time. Good afternoon.
Nah, sudah dipelan gitu mah.